Directories organize your files into logical structures. The directory class lets you create, delete, move, and list directories, making file system management simple and straightforward in your apps. Create directories using the create directory method. This is going to automatically create any missing parent directories. Delete using the delete method, and here the true parameter removes the directory and all its contents recursively. Enumerate files using the getFiles method to list all the files in a directory. You can use this line to find all the subdirectories at any depth. Check existence using the exist method and move directories using the move method for renaming or relocating entire directory trees. Use try-catch blocks for robust error handling and always validate paths before operations to catch issues early and provide clear error messages when something goes wrong.